Here is our computer lab, and as you can see, these are our top achievers over the years, from the first one being the one that wrote in 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and the 2019 one is yet to be put up. In here is our computer lab. As you can see that most of these computers are not functional, and we can accommodate about 30 computers in here, but currently we have about 12 that are working, and this is caused by lack of space and also the computers that we have being old. And we are asking for any donation so that we can beef up our computer lab and help our learners to research more. And if we can get, as you can see here, we have got these computers that have been pegged here. These are no longer working and we need to replace them. From the computer lab, this is just the passage inside the building, which is the stony building, and here that's where we have our strong rooms that we keep our important documents safely. And this is again the learning center which we are using as a class. And in here you can see that some of the windows do not have blinds, and we would need to get blinds and equip our learning center so that we can use it effectively. This is outside of the stony building, and this is our toilets. In this block we are using borehole water from this Jojo tank, and this tank only lasts for 2 days, and would need 3 more of these 10,000 liters so that we can have enough water to supply our toilets. And we are also trying to see if we can get more toilets, because given the number of learners, these toilets are not enough. And we have been advised by the department officials to increase the number of toilets. Here is our locker area, and this is where our students keep their lockers. And these lockers are not enough. We would need to buy more lockers for our students. We only have enough for half the number that we have. Some of them are damaged, some of them they are too old, so we need to replace those. And this has helped the learners to also keep their belongings safe, so that they can leave some of their books here and other material that they use here at school. Here we've got these tanks, and these tanks, that's where we pump our water from the borehole, and this water we use it to irrigate our farm, which is quite a big space where we grow vegetables. This is our farm, which we call our garden, which we can use to grow. As you can see, this is where we had our maize, and we've just harvested, and we'll take it to the grinding mill and exchange with milli mill. And this side we had planted beans. As you can see, we've just harvested beans here, and the beans we use it to feed the learners in the school. Right now we are busy preparing our ground so that we can plant our vegetables. We've got a lot of seedlings that we have planted. This is our nursery that we are hoping that we can plant and have more vegetables that we can use to supplement the meals that we give to the learners, as is recommended that we serve them with vegetables. These are our onions, that are almost ready, and we have got quite a big space with onions, but we will be planting some more onions. In our garden, for manure, we use organic manure. This is grass that we clear from the ground and we mix it with chicken manure, and we make this compost, and we water it, and once it's ready, then we use it to put in our vegetables. Here we've got these bottles. This is the manure that we make from the chicken poop, and it's quite rich in nutrients. And we also hope that we can get a company that can help us to test this so that we know exactly what's in it, so that we can also know what we have put in the on our vegetables. So here is where we make the manure, the liquid manure. So we put the chicken poop in the, or chicken manure in the tank, and then we put water. After a while, after a month, then we take we open here and we get this liquid manure. Here we have got sugarcane, as you can see here, and we have also done a couple of projects. We used to have potatoes grown in these, and it will give us, you put 4, 5, 6 potatoes, and then they will grow to give you more potatoes. So these are some of the projects that the students have been doing here at school. Next to this one, the sugarcane, this is the plant that has been said to be used to treat COVID-19. So some of our students have actually brought it here and they've planted it, and now it's starting to grow. This is the tree that is being talked about much, especially from Madagascar. Here we've got our cage where we keep rabbits. This cage is for rabbits. We used to have guinea pigs as well, but now we are only left with rabbits. So we do breed these rabbits. At the moment we are only left with 2 that would want to breed, so that we can have more of them. And these rabbits are actually used for experiments here at school, since our students are also doing agricultural sciences, and also for us to teach them to look after animals. And this actually inspired some of our students to go and study vet. We also have farmworm that we keep here at school. So we have most of them here, and then since it's cold, so they actually go down, and this is what we do. So what we do here, we collect the tea, which is the waste, and it's collected down here, where it will then be used as manure, which is said to be very rich and very good for flowers, especially the ones that you keep inside the houses. You just need to spray a little bit of this, very good manure. So that's what we have, and we are also working closely with one of the universities in the United States, who are helping us to build a hydroponic system here. So this is actually where we are going to be building it. They've already started, and all the models are done, so we're just waiting to start the project. So thank you. This is just a short video of what we are doing here, and this is again our school, as I've showed you Thank you.